Not all fish sauce is created equal. I'm using red boat fish sauce to make my NUOC MAM. In this case, 1/2 cup warm water, 1/2 cup fish sauce, 1/2 cup sugar. To melt the sugar, I added it to the warm water first, then added in my fish sauce. I used the juice from 1 lime, placing in about 1/4 cup of Thai chilies and 1/4 cup of sliced garlic. I'm gonna use the NUOC MAM as the dressing for my tomato salad. Here in San Diego, the tomatoes are already delicious, so here's a spring tomato salad with a NUOC MAM using red boat fish sauce. Keep in mind that it can be very spicy, so if you're serving this to someone, I would serve it on the side. One of the things I like to do is slowly add in more Thai chilies and garlic and fish sauce and simple syrup and lime juice as it ages and progresses to the main mother base. So that way, over time, it just really melds together and becomes one. Thank you for watching. My name is Mikel Anthony. Give it a like, give it a subscribe. Follow Chef's Roll for more. Keep cooking.